Hello everyone! Today we are going to solve Class 6 IGKO Olympiad 2022 Set B question paper. We have already solved 2022 Set A question paper which is there in the playlist. Go and check out. If you have not yet subscribed the channel, please do so. Now let's get started. Section 1 is of General Awareness. Question 1. Read the given statements carefully and select the correct option. Statement 1. During a lunar eclipse, the shadow of Earth falls on the moon. Okay, that is right. Statement 2. During a lunar eclipse, the sun, Earth and the moon are aligned in a straight line. That is also correct. So, for us the right option is option A. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Question 2. Dry ice is used primarily as a cooling agent. It is cooler than the usual ice made from frozen water and it does not leave any residue. What is its chemical composition? And the right answer here is carbon dioxide. Option B. Question 3. Dash is an instrument that makes a record of vibrations caused by an earthquake. This equipment is also used in petroleum exploration as well as monitoring volcanic activity. Can you guess? The right answer here is option B, seismograph. Question 4. This was India's first unmanned Earth satellite developed by ISRO. This satellite was launched on 19th April 1975 from Kapustin Yar, Russia. Identify it. The right answer here is option B, Aryabhat. Question 5. This national park in the United States is home to a geyser called Old Faithful, famous for its consistent eruption in about every 44 to 125 minutes all year round. Name the national park. The right answer here is option B, Yellowstone National Park. Question 6. This is a razor-toothed carnivorous fish of South American rivers and lakes belonging to family Serracilmidae. Most of these species are scavengers but are classified as omnivorous. Identify it. The right answer here is piranha. Question 7. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option. Let's see. The first one is strait. So what is a strait? Strait is a narrow stretch of water that connects two larger bodies of water. So one matches D. Second one is island. Island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. So 2 matches C. Now third one is gulf. Gulf is a portion of the ocean that penetrates a land. So option 3 matches B. Then fourth is peninsula. Peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water on 3 sides and connected to mainland on 1 side. 4 matches A and the right option is option A. Question 8. Who was the first player to win the first Wimbledon Championship trophy? The right answer is option C, Spencer Go. Question 9. Unscramble the letters and find the name of a drug which is obtained from bark of cinchona trees and is used for the treatment of malaria. A will give us garlic, B opium, C quinine and D atropine. The right answer here is option C because quinine is used for the treatment of malaria. Question 10. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words and select the correct option. Statement P. The mass per unit volume of a substance is known as. The right answer here should be density. Density is the mass per unit volume of a substance. Now let's see the other statement, that is Q. The solubility of gases in water dash with increase in temperature. So the solubility decreases. Solubility of gases in water decreases as we increase the temperature. Here for us the right option should be D, which gives first one density and the second one decreases. Question 11. Read the given statements and select the incorrect option. A. Recycling leads to increased consumption of raw material. We already got our incorrect option because we are recycling. So we are consuming the same material again and again through recycling process. So it will not lead to increased consumption of raw material. because raw material would be same. So we already got our incorrect option, that is option A. Question 12. Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place when British troops fired on a large crowd of unarmed Indians in an open space. On which date this incident took place? The right answer is option D, 13th April 1919. Question 13. The sportsperson shown in the given picture is associated with which sport? So he is Pankaj Advani. And the right answer here is option D, billiards. Question 14. He was awarded Hans Christian Andersen Literature Award in 2014. His novel Midnight's Children won the Booker Prize in 1981. Who is he? The right answer here is option B, Salman Rushdie. Question 15. This huge cactus is pleated like an accordion and expands as it soaks up water. Its flower is the state wildflower of Arizona. Identify it. The right answer here is option C, saguaro. Question 16. It is NASA's mission to land first women and first person of color on the moon using innovative technologies to explore more of lunar surface than ever before. What is it called? The right answer here is Artemis program. Question 17. What is the meaning of the French phrase OFA? Answer is option A, having a good knowledge of something. Question 18. Read the given statements carefully and select the incorrect one. A. Political maps show cities, towns, villages, different countries and states of the world and their boundaries. That is correct. B. Mountains, plateaus and plains are represented on thematic maps. No. This is incorrect because mountains, plateaus and plains are represented on physical map. So we got our answer, that is option B, and this is the incorrect statement. Question 19. Select the correct statement regarding moon. So we have to find the right one. Option A. Air is not present on the moon. Oh, we already got our answer and that is the correct one. Option A. Air is not present on the moon. But let's see the others also. B. Moon takes about 365 days to complete one lunar cycle. That is not correct. Option C. Moon's gravity is very strong as compared to Earth. That is also not correct. D. The highest and lowest temperature of moon are 50 degrees Celsius and minus 10 degrees Celsius respectively. That is also incorrect. So, the only correct statement is option A. Question 20. Singhbhum tribals of Bihar district started a protest when government decided to replace the natural sal forest with teak. This movement was also called green game political populism. It later spread to Jharkhand and Odisha. Identify the name of movement and select the correct option. The right answer here is option C, Jangal Bachao Andolan. Question 21. No and Kabuki are traditional theatrical forms of which country? The right answer here is option B, Japan. Question 22. Who among the following was the official mascot of UEFA Euro 2020? So in 2020 it was Skilsy. Right option is option A. And if somebody asks what is in 2024, the right answer here would be it's Albert, the teddy bear. Question 23. A dead language is the one that is no longer the native language of any community even if it is still in use. Which among the following is a dead language? The right answer is option C, Latin. Question 24. Identify the correct name of the Marvel superhero who was created by writer Stan Lee and artist Jack Kirby. He transforms into green-skinned, muscular humanoid possessing great physical strength. I think you all know by this time. The right answer is option B, Hulk. Question 25. Give one word for one who walks on ropes. The right answer is option C, funambulist. Question 26. The highest civilian award in India is... The right answer is option A, Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of the country. It is awarded in recognition of exceptional service or performance of the highest order in any field of human endeavor. Question 27. Cirrhosis is a disease of... The right answer here is option C, liver. Cirrhosis is a condition in which your liver is scarred and permanently damaged. Scar tissue replaces healthy liver tissue and prevents your liver from working normally. Question 28. Find the minimum number of straight lines required to draw the given figure. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in total there are 12 minimum number of straight lines. Option A is the right answer. Question 29. Which of the following squares must be shaded to make the given figure symmetric? So from which line we have to see the symmetry? We should see from here. And if we see, then P should be shaded to give the right symmetry. Option D is the right answer. Question 30. Select the incorrect statement about email. A. Email can be sent to more than one recipient at a time. That is correct. B. Recipient's name can be hidden from others by adding their names in CC. Now this is incorrect, because if we add the names in CC, that is carbon copy, everybody can see it. We have to add the name in BCC, that is blind carbon copy. If we add that in BCC, then it will be hidden from others. So the right option here is option B, which is the incorrect statement. Moving to the next section, that is current affairs. You need to be updated about your current year when you are appearing for the exam. What is happening? What are the current affairs of that particular year? This question paper is of year 2022. So the questions and the options are related to that year. Question 31. Who among the following won the men's single title at 2022 French Open Tennis Tournament? The right answer is option A, Rafael Nadal. In 2024, Carlos Alcaraz is current winner. Question 32. What was the theme of World Environment Day 2022? The right answer here is option B, Only One Earth. For 2024, theme is Our Land, Our Future. We are Generation Restoration. Question 33. Which of the following countries has won its first ever medal at IBSA Judo Grand Prix 2022? IBSA is International Blind Sports Federation. The right answer here is option C, India. Question 34. In which of the following countries ISSF, that is International Shooting Sport Federation, Junior World Cup 2022 was held? The right answer is option A, Germany. And in 2024, it is held in Granada, Spain. Question 35. Who among the following is the current Minister of Tribal Affairs in India? So, for 2024, the answer is Durga Das is current Minister of Tribal Affairs in India. Question 36. World Health Day is observed every year on... The right answer is option C, 7th April. Question 37. Who among the following has received the Param Vishisht Seva Medal, that is PVSM 2022? The right answer here is option D, Neeraj Chopra. And if we talk about who won that in 2024, there is a full list which you can see. Question 38. Who is the current Chief Minister of Maharashtra? The right answer is option B, Eknath Shinde. Question 39. Which of the following countries hosted 2022 Women's FIH Hockey World Cup? The right answer is option D, Spain and Netherlands. In 2026, FIH Hockey World Cup will be co-organized by Belgium and the Netherlands. Question 40. Who is the winner of Pulitzer Prize 2022 in the fiction category for his book The Netanyahus? The right answer is option A, Joshua Cohen. Next section is life skills. Question 41. A low self-esteem can reduce the quality of a person's life in many ways. Which of the following is not a cause of low self-esteem? A. medical or mental health problem, B. stressful life events, C. comparison to others, and D. self-reliance. Here the right answer should be option D, because self-reliance is not a cause of low self-esteem, rather it boosts our esteem. Question 42. Which of the following statements are correct regarding active listening? First, it helps to build connections. Second, it helps to increase your knowledge and understanding of various topics. Third, it helps to avoid missing critical information. And fourth, it leads to error and ineffective decisions. Here, the right answer should be option C, because 1, 2 and 3, these three statements are absolutely correct, whereas the fourth statement is not correct for active listening. Question 43. Who among the following gave the given quote? The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge but imagination. The right answer is option A, Albert Einstein. Question 44. Which of the following is a road sign of one-way traffic? A. That's incorrect. B. This is correct. B is the sign for one-way traffic. Question 45. You are a good cricket player and has been the captain of your school cricket team. What should you do if your coach makes one of your teammates captain of the team to develop his/her leadership qualities? A. Respect your coach's decision and encourage your new captain. That seems good. B. Argue with your coach and ask him to make you the captain. That's not correct. C. Leave the team. That's not correct. So right answer should be option A. That is how you should act. Moving to the last section, that is of Achievers section. It holds double marks for each question. Question 46. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option. Column 1 is of authors and column 2 is of their books. First one is Peter Baker. The right answer should be option C, Obama, The Call of History. Second one is Sudha Murthy, and the correct answer should be A, The Day I Stopped Drinking Milk. Third is Vikram Sampath. The right answer here is D, My Name is Gauhar Jan, The Life and Times of a Musician. And the fourth one is R.K. Narayan. Here the right answer should be B, The Guide. So 1 matches C, 2 matches A, 3 matches D, and 4 matches B. The right option for us should be option B. Question 47. Read the given statements and select the option that correctly identifies true and false ones. First, Wimbledon is the oldest tennis tournament in the world. That is true. Second, Nawab Iftikhar Ali Khan Pataudi was the only test cricketer to have played for both India and England. That is also true. Third, Sunil Gavaskar was the first ever cricketer to score 10,000 runs in test cricket. That is also true. Fourth, Kapil Dev is the only Indian cricketer who has won 4 consecutive Man of the Match awards. Now this is false, because Saurabh Ganguly is the only Indian cricketer who has won 4 consecutive Man of the Match awards. So 1, 2, 3 are true and 4th is false. Our right option is option D. Question 48. Identify P, Q and R from the given statements and select the correct option. P. The third largest moon in our solar system is? The answer is Callisto. Q. First space probe to maintain orbit around another planet? The answer is Mariner 9. R is a constellation in the northern sky named after the mother of Andromeda in Greek mythology. The right answer is Cassiopeia. So for us, the correct option should be option A. Question 49. Read the given statements carefully and select the correct option. Statement 1. The number 465,982 when rounded off to nearest thousands gives 460,000. This is incorrect, because when it has to be round it off to the nearest thousand, it should be 470,000. Statement 2. The sum of greatest and smallest 4-digit number that can be formed from the digits 7, 0, 5 and 3 using each digit only once is 10587. So what would be the greatest 4-digit number from these digits? It would be 7530. And the smallest 4-digit numbers using all the digits once should be 3057. And when we add that, we get 10587. So second statement is true. Right option for us should be option D. Statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true. Question 50. Which of the following storage devices are not directly accessible by CPU? So CPU can directly access your primary memory, that is volatile memory. It cannot directly access your secondary device, that is non-volatile. Now let's see all the options. Option A is Western Digital Raptor, that is a hard disk drive and it is secondary device, that is non-volatile. So CPU cannot directly access it. B is your pen drive or USB, that is again a secondary device, so CPU will not be directly able to access it. C is a DIMM, which is a type of RAM module, and RAM we all know that it is a primary device, or you can say the volatile memory. So this is something which CPU can directly access. For us, the right answer should be option D. Both A and B, that is Western Digital Raptor hard disk and RAM module, is not directly accessible by CPU. With this, we have successfully completed or solved our Class 6 IGKO 2022 Set B question paper. Stay tuned and do subscribe the channel. Check out the playlist for more Olympiad papers for this class and other class also. Happy learning. Bye-bye.